Welcome. Welcome to today's market outlook as we look into the week and look into some pair that we will be paying attention to for the week. As you all know, do I still need to do a recap? As you all know, all our setup has always been crazy and super amazing. It has been super amazing. Anyone we putting out there goes our direction accurately, precisely, and as expectedly. It has already been awesome. Last week we traded this sell. It was massive. Market sold massively. Can you see how many this thing? Let's see how many this thing was that. How many pips was that? Let's check. Let's measure how many pips was that. That was about 180 pips. Can you see, guys? So same thing as well. Market is repeating itself. It's coming back to the same level. I'll be looking out for a sell again at this point. This is one of my first trade I'm looking out for this week. Should I just go and recap first about last week? All of the pairs I said I was looking at everything played out accordingly. I don't know if I still need to. Let me do that very quickly so that you people can know why you should listen to me. If you're just watching this video, this is what we call market outlook. We do this every Sundays, more or less like an expo for our community guys, our traders to enjoy, members to enjoy, and then begin to look at what we are looking at for the week as well. So they can trade and make money for themselves. This was one of the first trade I said I was looking out for, one of my most interesting trade, and it goes well. That was Monday last week, Sunday 22nd. Yeah. And the market played out on the next Monday by London section played out by London section. I think it's not yeah, by New York section. I started selling. So I also look out for this pair as well, GDPUSD. So I was going to be looking out for GDPUSD, this one too as well on Monday. It played out on Monday morning. We usually went our direction. I also said I was looking out for Euro as well. This same Euro buy, it's played out as well. And then which pair again? Which pair again? Okay, I said I was looking out for is it AUD or what? Let me see. Which one again? Which one again? Oh, I think this baby here. And this one didn't come to our head twin and we didn't take it. Which one? I didn't know which one. I forgot to. Which one again? I forgot. Actually, those are the ones I can remember. As you all know, any of our market outlook are always super fantastic. So if you are always, you should not always miss it. At least get an expo. If it is 2 to 3 pairs you have an expo about, just focus on those pairs for the week. You are good with us. You are good. These are the pairs we'll be looking at for the week, and I'm sure this pair will be playing out massively accordingly, according to our direction. Let me show you guys. I'm looking for a sell in this market. Let me show you what I'm looking for a sell. Let me start from daily. Let me show you my analysis. Let me show you. You can see how this market has been going. Let me show you. Let me show you weekly. This has been a massive trend market, a massive downward market. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The market is still coming to do what? A lower low. And then break this structure. Or we should maintain this low here. It's come to this point here. You see, this sell is still coming here. So we're still going to sell. If I to be a swing trader, I'll be selling this longly. I'll be selling this for a very long time because I know it will come back to me and do a lower low. So I'll be selling it for a very long week. I can sell it for like 1 month. Keep selling it for like 1 month. So but I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader and an intraday trader. So I'm not. So I'll catch up 70, 80 pips a day, and I'm done. So this market, I'm looking out for what a sell at this point. I'm looking out for this market coming back to this point. Can you see just the same thing they did the last time? Can you see this is a pullback here? We may move this from Friday buy. If you want to trade this market right now, just buy. Market might do a gap and come back to this point. If you come back to this point, let me shift your display here. If you come back to this point, I can place this same buy here and do a buy and come back to this point. I'm looking out for this sale probably on Tuesday, Monday morning, Monday New York or Tuesday New York. This market should mature for sale at this point. Highest Wednesday should mature for sale. It's a crazy market that we should looking at for a sell. And we must give us what confirmation entry candle before we shoot a sell. We must give us a confirmation entry candle before we shoot a sell. I'm looking at for a sell that I also have this market on my watch list. I'm looking at for a sell as well on the card. See CADJPY. Let me show you what I'm looking at for a sell. You can see markets is doing the same thing that they did over the week. You can see this is actually a buy market and change from here. ILR do a lower low here and then expected do an equal high here. You can see. Let me show you. You can see what market is doing here. It's just trying to repeat the same thing it's going to do here. market comes back to this end tool again, provided market comes back to this end tool again, and you see it's equal to what? A double top on 2 hour time frame. That is a very strong time frame for me to see. I tell my students we know that each hour daily time frames on double tops will give you some particular amount of pips. If you want to know that, click the link below and join us on our community. We will reveal that secret to you because of this 2 hour double top. I already know how many pips this market will give me. So I'm just waiting for an entry to come back to this place so you can enter. So if you want to know each numbers of the pips that will be given to you if the market does double top or bottom, join our community right now so you can learn some of these things for free. Am I talking to someone? Also, you're just watching this video for the very first time. I want to urge you, please and please subscribe to this channel so you can learn a lot more from us. Okay, subscribe to the channel, and this is what we do. We give a lot of quality videos out there so you can learn. Okay, thank you so much for that, guys. So I'll be looking out for this is one of my key trade as well. CDP, your card JPY. I would love the market should not retest, not stop here, so that I won't have a longer stop loss. I really love to list about 10, 12, 15, 20, 25. Highest 30. I love so much. So I'll be expecting the market, the gap should come to this point and give me a formation for a change of structure and then a formation for a sell at this point and give me a candlestick formation around this point so I can take at least 15 or 20 pips or 21 XL then short it down. That's it. I'll also be looking out for this pair as well, GDP USD. Let me show you. I just four my list I'm looking out for. I just four my list. I just four my list. Yeah, I just four my same thing as card. Can you see now? Almost same thing as card. I'm waiting for market to come to someone around here. This is what against the market a captain trend. It's not a trend market. I will not prioritize this much more because I'll have to go against the market. But anyway, I might risk lesser. If I'm trading against the market, which is against my trading plan, I will choose to risk lesser. I will be risking very less. Okay? So you can also be doing that. If you are trading against the bar market, anything can happen. This market can still then pull up, then take me out or weak me out and begin to later sell. So it's always dangerous if you trade against the market. For me, this is not totally my priority like that because it's against the market. Yeah, but there's a potential for sale in this market. So I'll be watching it. It's on my watch list. I'll be watching it as well. Market should do somewhere around here, mature for sales by New York or London session on Monday morning. I'm not expecting market to mature most market opens on Sunday. I don't expect that. I do not expect that because the move is massive and it can never mature and sell because it's not even in its section. I tell you guys why you lose trade because you lose trade because you don't trade on their sessions. We have the videos on that, so you can go to our videos and watch it. How you can always know when to enter market and when not to enter market, when to stay out, when to trade some pair. Some pair you should trade at a particular time, at a particular session. Okay, so I've done a video on that. You can go to our videos and watch them, so you can know those things. So I'll be watching out for this pair only on, and because I was ready to move on London on near section. So that's for that. And then also I'll be looking out for this baby AUD card as well. AUD card. Can you see? Let me show you from a longer time frame. I'm watching out for this baby AUD card. I'm working for this baby. Just four of them. They are very, very sweet to eat for me. Any of them that matures enough, clean, that comes clean and makes more sense to me, I'll be shooting them massively. I'll be shooting them massively. Am I talking to somebody? So I will be shooting them massively. You did card also. Let me go to the pair. I'm looking out for a massive sell on that pair as well. It's gonna be a sell, a crazy one, a crazy one for that matter. I'm expecting the sell, a crazy one for that matter. I think we saw this one around here. He came back again to the entry. So I'm expecting this market to still come back to someone around here or here, as the case may be. Someone around here. At this case, let me show you why I'm expecting it. Let me show you from a daily time frame. Let me show you. Let me show you. We can see that this is what a strong level. I call it level of concentration. Where we pay attention to the market. When we are here, we sold, we sold, we sold. And when we are above, we are buying, we are buying. So definitely, this is a good sell market for me. As far as I'm concerned, I'll be shorting this market massively and massively. Am I talking to somebody? I'll be shorting this market massively and massively as well. If it comes out clean and mature enough, I will sell it. I'm waiting for it to mature, sell it to this point, either this point or this point. But my first step of is around here. I'll watch out for this zone as well. If you want to, if they invest deeply, I'll take my profit. If not, probably I'll enter again. If not, I'll hold till this point. I can catch about 1 to 5, risk reward ratio. So I expect this is a strong reversal. This pin in inverse pin bar is a strong reversal candle, but due to market opening, there might be a little bit push out. Can you see again? 2 hours is giving me what? An in pin bar, which is more or less a confirmation for sell. In fact, market can even open and begin to sell. After they sell and now come back again, come back up again, and then they do a retest, I might enter. But depending, I will look at the market, AUD. I will look at the section of the market before I can do any action. But I'm open to a sell on this market as well. As a matter of fact, I'm looking for a massive sell on this market to come back here. Someone around here, I'll be shorting, and I'll be selling. Let me know what you're also looking at in your own market outlook, or you have any questions or anything. Drop it in the comment section, and thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, if you are just watching our video for the first time, please and please kindly subscribe to this channel if you get values from this video. Subscribe to this channel and let's do more together again. Watch the next video so you can continue the track. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Peace out, guys. I love you so much. Bye for now. Thank you.